Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a Lloyds Bank phone number. The first thing I want you to do is launch up the Lloyds Bank app, and then here at the top right you can click on this profile icon, and then you can go ahead and click here on My Profile. So go ahead and click on that, and then here you'll see Profile and Settings, and you'll see Manage Your Details right here. So if you want to go ahead and change that, you can do that from here, or you can change your contact information. So go ahead and tap on that, and then here you'll see your mobile number. So you can go ahead and click on this to change your mobile number. So go ahead and adjust your mobile number, change it to whatever you want, enter your new number, and then you just go ahead and click on continue. And then you need to go ahead and verify your identity. So they'll ask you to go ahead and enter your 3-digit CVV from your card and the card reader code. So verify that and you will have changed it. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.